Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a review of some matcha teas. So the Matcha Reserve actually sent me a few teas to try out, and it's flavored matcha. So it's my first time trying out these flavored matchas. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while or just following me on this YouTube channel, you know that I have a really strong matcha obsession. So just like how coffee is to some of you, that's how matcha is to me. So every morning when I wake up, I have to have a matcha latte, and it's what gets me going throughout the day, and it's what keeps me alert, and it really increases my metabolism to do everything I need to do during the day. So matcha is really healthy. It's high in antioxidants, has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and it's really good for your skin as well. So it's one of the new trends right now. I'm not sure if you can find this in Trinidad and Tobago, for those of you looking on from there. So I'll have to look into it and let you know where exactly you can find it. So just stay tuned in the comments below. If I do find a place that supplies the matcha, I'll let you all know. So the Matcha Reserve, you can find them at www.thematchareserve.com. So you can go there and check out their products. They have some great products, and I guess they saw my matcha obsession and they wanted to send a few products for me to give my honest review. So today I'm going to share my honest review on these teas. I'm really obsessed with matcha, so the fact that there's flavored matchas now is even better for me. So stay tuned to see my thoughts and my review on this matcha tea. So I'm going to start making my matcha tea, and I'm going to follow how they say to make it because that's the ceremonial way. So before I even start, let me tell you the flavors. So we got vanilla, mango, peach, chocolate, strawberry, caramel, and peppermint. So I'm not sure which one I want to try. I think let's go with the peppermint. So I'm going to take out about half of a teaspoon, and I'm going to place it into my teacup here. So matcha is quite lumpy, and that's why the bamboo whisk is used. So over here they say to whisk it in an M or W motion. So let's see if we could do that here. And that's to break up the lumps in there. Wow. So then they said to add some boiling water. And they say whisk until it forms a creamy top. So I can immediately smell that peppermint in there. And I like to make matcha lattes, so I'm gonna add a little milk. You can add more water if you want. So the bamboo whisk does get it frothy, but I like to still froth mine up. So I'm gonna use my frother. That is delicious. And I can taste a little hint of peppermint in there. It's not too strong. It's like subtle, so you can taste it in the background. And it's really delicious, honestly. I can't wait to try out the other flavors, but this is definitely the real deal matcha. Because I've tried various matcha brands, and this is really high quality matcha. I can tell by just tasting it. And just even looking at the color, I can tell that this is high quality matcha. So I hope you all enjoyed the review. Make sure you go check out the Matcha Reserve. I will leave all their information in the description box below, so you can go check it out. If you've never heard about matcha, definitely go check it out, do some more research into it, and you should definitely try it, especially if you can't drink coffee. I can't drink coffee. It gets me really anxious and really nervous, and matcha has just the right amount of caffeine that reacts with my body properly. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and hit that bell next to the subscribe button, just so you'll be updated with every single video that I post. And leave me all your comments below. Tell me if you've tried matcha, if you want to try it, and I would love to hear from you all. So until I see you all in my next video, bye.